Shrestha and
welcome to Shrestha's awesome video.
I forgot to mention it last week, but I made a new intro. So comment down below if you guys like it or not, or I should just do the normal thing where I just say it, because I want you guys' feedback. So remember to comment down below if you like the new intro or not. So anyway, I am going to be cooking one of my favorite breakfast slash snack slash dinner that is Indian. So this outfit is clearly not suiting it. So this is better, but I need to take off this watch or this is gonna get messy. Let me stop again. It doesn't work. I guess my magic is out. I'll just normally take it off. Is my watch super glued or something? My superpowers would really work right now. But anyway, so today I am going to be making microwave mug dhokla. So I know you've heard of like mug cupcakes and stuff, but have you ever heard of a microwave mug dhokla? I never have. I'll show you how to make it. And this is one of my favorite breakfast slash dinner slash snacks. So dhokla is an Indian dish that is from Gujarat, and it is kind of like a cake but savory. It's really fluffy and it has a high source of protein, and obviously it's so tasty. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and like this video. Anyway, let's move on to the ingredients. So the ingredients that you'll need for this microwavable mug dhokla are a mixing bowl to mix your ingredients, a mug. I'm making a big amount of dhokla, so I'm gonna need a big mug, some measuring cups and measuring spoons. So more of the ingredients that you'll need are 1/4 teaspoon of some Yello. Yello is basically just fruit salt, or you can use baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. 1/3 teaspoon of salt according to your taste, obviously. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar according to your taste also. 1 tablespoon of oil. 1/2 cup of yogurt, or you can use lemon juice if you want to make it vegan, and 1 cup of chickpea flour. Start making it. So the first thing that you need to do is add some of the chickpea flour, all of it. Make sure to get all of the chickpea flour in there. So I'll be showing you guys a clip, and in that clip I'll be eating something. So you guys have to comment down below what I'm eating so then you can get a shout out. So let's go. So that clip is over, and remember, comment down below what you think it is. So anyway, we're gonna continue with the process. So we need to add the dry ingredients in. So we're adding the sugar and the salt and let's now add the yogurt, and remember you can also use lemon juice if you want to make it vegan. If you really want to know how healthy Dhokla is, you can just ask Google. Let me ask Google. Hey Google, how healthy is Dhokla?
On the website food.ndtv.com, they say, what makes Dhokla rank so high on health charts is its mode of preparation, ingredients used in its fermented nature. Steaming helps save many calories and also makes the snack light and delicious.
So if you were wondering, that's the answer. So anyway, let's move on. So we need to add some oil and mix. And if you want to make it a little spicy, you can add ginger and green chili paste, but I'm just going to make a normal Dhokla, so I'm not going to add that. Mixture until there's no lumps like this. So these are what the lumps look like. So before putting it in the microwave, you should add your fruit salt or your baking soda. And for the fruit salt, if you keep it out for a while, it's not gonna work like it normally does. So you have to work with it quickly, otherwise all the bubbles are gonna go away. So the reason why we're using fruit salt is because usually people ferment it. So this is an instant way to just ferment it. So we need to add 1/4 a teaspoon of okay, and quickly mix until it does its magic. I'm going to transfer the mixture into a mug, and make sure to do this whole process quickly, otherwise the fruit salt will lose its power. So just mixture inside, and now I'm going to put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. And start. So to test and see if it's fully ready, just poke a toothpick in. So just make sure to poke it almost all the way, so that if any batter comes off, then you know it's uncooked. So just poke it in, and so see, since there's some batter on, I think I need to leave it for a little longer. So yeah, like this, you can just put it in for an extra 30 seconds. So I'll close it and put 30 seconds, and then start. So if it doesn't work in that 30 seconds, just keep on doing 30 seconds until it's fully cooked. So the 30 seconds are over, and it should be done now. So this is how it looks like. It's so cakey. It looks like vanilla cake, except it's savory, not sweet. Toppings. So for the toppings, we're gonna need some 2 chilies, some curry leaves, and some mustard seeds. And so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat the stove for a few minutes, put some oil, and then put this in, and then just keep on frying it. And then you're gonna put it on top of your Dhokla. This is the final Dhokla, and now I'm going to do a taste test. So now I'm going to taste it. Ooh, this is so fluffy. Ooh, you should see the inside. Look, so the inside is really fluffy, and now I'm going to try it. This is so good. So fluffy. It's kind of like a sponge, but edible. So anyway, thanks for for watching, guys. And if you so this recipe is really good because you can use a microwave instead of a stove, and also it takes 2 minutes, and it's a mug dhokla. Like, who doesn't want a mug dhokla? It's so perfectly round and squishy and fluffy, and it looks like a vanilla cake. So you guys should try it and comment below how it tasted and how it looked, and just put a picture and show me. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and share this video if you want someone else to see this awesome recipe. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!